guys, got a new boat, you know. About to head to the car show in town. I hope a lot of people came out. It's my first one around here, but got a nice scenic area. But we'll be heading there real soon, so here we go. Oh, it's a sniper, bro. Yeah, there you go.
It's okay today. Look, there's a beetle bug over there. An actual bug bug.
These things are sweet. I love this one too. Manual? No, auto. It's an auto.
How about the first one was an auto?
Really?
Yeah.
Not a big fan of autos, huh?
That's why I never guitar.
C3. Mike hates these cars. Yeah. C7 manual transmission. It's a manual. Tinted windshield. Demon.
Oh my lord.
Yeah, I ordered it last. I have a friend of mine at a dealership in Florida.
Yes. Oh my god. They have these things in Forza. These things are.
Never let me see you now.
What? Oh, it's. Look at the turbo.
It is very fun.
Back from that event, we did not stay very long. It was an okay turnout. It wasn't too bad. We just got back. It's about 12 o'clock, and we left about 9:30. So we were there for a little bit. But I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. It's a little one, not too big, not too small. Well, it's pretty small, but if you guys are new here, make sure you guys subscribe. We're going to be doing some Instagram shout-outs at the end of this video because one of the people that I've known for a while on Instagram, I'll put his name like on the screen, but he gave me a new, well, he made me the new picture. It says Street Savages for my little icon, and the banner I did myself. But shout out to him, and then I'll do another shout out for this other guy. He does pretty good content. He has a Dodge truck, purple, I don't really know. It looks more purple, but make sure you check them out. I'll put their names at the end of the screen. I'm at the end of this video, not the end of the screen, sorry. Put their names at the end of this little clip here, and then there you go. Go follow them on Instagram, and, well, the one, I'll put YouTube, and then I'll put IG for Instagram, for which one's Instagram and which one's YouTube. So, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe, and have a good rest of your day. See you.